Hello beautiful people, welcome to another enlightening video on your favorite channel, VitalGlow Life. Today, we delve into a delicious topic, foods for reducing mental stress. It's no secret that our diet can significantly influence our mental well-being. A well-chosen menu can be a powerful tool in managing stress levels. In this video, we're going to explore some fantastic foods that can help you keep stress at bay. So grab your notepads, folks. Get ready to take notes as we reveal these stress-busting foods. First up on our list is a favorite treat for many, dark chocolate. This delectable delight is not just a guilty pleasure, but a stress buster too. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants. These tiny warriors fight against cell damage. But the real hero in our story is tryptophan, a significant component of dark chocolate. This amazing substance is used by our brain to produce serotonin, a mood-enhancing neurotransmitter. So the next time you're feeling stressed, reach out for a piece of dark chocolate. Next on our list are the vibrant and zesty citrus fruits. These juicy delights are not just pleasing to the palate, they're also stress busters. Packed to the brim with vitamin C, citrus fruits help in reducing stress levels. But that's not all. They also play a vital role in boosting your immune system. So whether it's an orange, a grapefruit, or a slice of lemon, make a room for these zesty heroes in your diet. Remember, a citrus a day keeps the stress away. Another fantastic stress-busting food is the creamy and versatile avocado. This green powerhouse is a storehouse of essential nutrients. It is packed with B vitamins known for their stress-relieving properties. These vitamins help in nerve functioning and stress management, making avocados a go-to food for those stressful days. Moreover, avocados are brimming with heart-healthy fats. These fats may help to lessen anxiety, providing a calming effect on the body and mind. Incorporate avocados in your diet for a stress-free life. Last but not least, we have a calming beverage, green tea. This soothing drink is more than just a warm comfort. It's packed with an amino acid called theanine. Why is that important, you ask? Well, theanine is known for its calming effects on the brain. It's like a gentle hug for your neurons, aiding in stress reduction and promoting tranquility. So, brew a warm cup of green tea whenever you need a moment of calm. There you have it. 4 fantastic foods that can help you manage and reduce mental stress. In our journey today, we've discovered the calming effects of dark chocolate, the mood-boosting benefits of citrus fruits, the stress-relieving properties of avocados, and the soothing nature of green tea. Each of these foods, in their own way, can contribute to a healthier, less stressful lifestyle. But remember, while these foods are great, they're just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, combined with regular exercise, is key to maintaining overall mental and physical health. So ensure you're not only eating right, but also keeping your body active. Now that we've armed you with this knowledge, it's your turn to take action. Integrate these foods into your diet and witness the change. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos from VitalGlow Life. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy.